have been getting a couple of questions on whether oatmeal causes indigestion. So today I'm going to share with you not one, but 2 oatmeal recipes that's great for people with digestive problems. Hello everybody! Thank you for joining me back here at Dawn for Life. I post health and fitness videos every week on Tuesdays, inspiring you to be healthier and happier in life. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I made coconut milk the other day and I roasted the pulp of the coconut, and they're really good with this maple syrup. It's amazing. So you can boil the oats until the consistency that you like. I like it like that, not too thick. Hope you like this recipe. Please let me know, especially those of you with digestive problems. And if you are unwell, it's also a great choice of meal to go to ease your digestion and help fight off any flu or cold virus that you may have. I would like to add a little more of maple syrup. If you are trying to lose weight, you can avoid altogether maple syrup and use a little bit of raisins. Look at that. Oh, did you know that maple syrup, grade C, I've always taken grade A because who would want to get a lower grade maple syrup, right? But it's not true. I looked it up and grade C is actually more potent than grade A. And I'm loving it. The taste is so intense, so maple syrupy. It's great. These days you find so many oatmeal pictures and recipes on Instagram that has lots of fruit toppings on them. Berries and mangoes and stuff like that, which is really nice and yummy. But if you have digestive problems, I would suggest you eat fruits separately from your meals. So eat them alone 30 minutes before meal times or an hour or 2 after. You can go to this recipe for still sweetness from the carrots, from the raisins. Speaking of which, I know I mentioned eat your fruits separately, but this is an exception. Cooking your oatmeal and boiling with the raisins, that's okay for your digestion. But fresh fruits, try to avoid them. If you really have to go for fruit toppings on your oatmeal, then choose sour berries over the sweet ones. But from my experience, it's still best without, especially on days where your digestion is not the strongest. Then highly suggest go for this recipe or the other one that I'm going to show you. to make. This one you can actually not even cook it. You just put your oats, your carrots, your raisins and everything else basically into a flask, and in the morning pour the hot water into the flask. And then I hope you like both of these recipes. Please let me know in the comments below if you tried them or if you have tried other vegetables in your oats before. Let me know, I'm very curious. If you're new here, you like videos like this, remember to click the subscribe button so you get notified when I post another video next week. Thank you for watching Dawn for Life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!